In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Slack with Jira, a vital step for streamlining your project management and communication efforts. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to seamlessly connect the two platforms, allowing your team to track project progress directly from Slack. Let's dive in and get started with the integration process. To begin, open your web browser and head to Jira. If you're already working within a project, you can navigate to the home screen or where you have an overview of your tools. Once you're there, you'll see a menu on the left-hand side of the screen. Look for the section labeled Apps and give it a click. This will lead you to the Jira App Management section, but we're going to expand our options. So the next thing you need to do is click on Explore More Apps. This is where you get access to the Jira Marketplace, where you can find additional functionalities by integrating various applications. With the Marketplace page open, you'll want to find the search bar. In this field, you'll type Slack. This will bring up a list of apps and integrations related to Slack, all designed to enhance your Jira experience. From the results, your target is to find and select an app called Slack Connector for Jira. This is the key to connecting Slack with Jira, providing a suite of tools for tracking, notifications, and more. When you click on Slack Connector for Jira, you'll be directed to its specific app page. Often these pages will provide an overview of the app, reviews, and instructions on how to use it. But our focus is on getting it installed, so locate the button that says Try It Free. Clicking this option begins the process of installation with no cost involved, perfect for testing its functionality before you commit. After selecting Try It Free, the next prompt you'll encounter is the Review section. This step might involve checking over permissions or basic information about what the app will access or modify in your Jira. It's an essential step to ensure you're comfortable with the app's operations and understand its impact on your system. Finally, click on Start Free Trial. Doing this will officially trigger the integration process, allowing the app to link Slack with your Jira instance. Depending on your Jira setup, you may need to authorize some permissions, so keep an eye out for any prompts or notifications requiring your input. And there you have it. The integration is underway, and soon you'll see enhanced collaboration and communication happening right within Slack, all thanks to its connection with Jira. This integration not only boosts team efficiency, but also ensures everyone is on the same page, making project management a breeze. If you have any other questions or run into issues, the support section on the apps page is a helpful resource. Stay tuned for more tech tips and tricks.